They observe, they learn, they analyze. What if machines already understand our world better than we do? Hey folks, today we're diving straight into the heart of the matrix, into the brains of artificial intelligence. Neural networks are no longer just playing chess or generating fake photos of cats in jackets. They're infiltrating our lives, driving cars, recommending movies, even finding matches on dating sites. But the big question is, what do they think about us? How do they perceive us? What the heck do they want from us? Today, we're going to try and figure it out. Let's get started. Experiment with a picture. All right, let's kick off with an experiment. We'll take a photo, toss it to our favorite GPT-4, and ask simply, what happens next? No hints, no context. A pure experiment, like in a lab. The most likely scenario is that the person in the photo is enjoying the city view. Maybe they're taking pictures, or just thinking. It's hard to say exactly what will happen next because it depends on their intentions. Makes sense, right? A person on a rooftop, probably admiring the view. The worst scenario is if the person loses their balance and falls off the roof. This could lead to serious injuries or even death. Whoa! How does the machine know about the danger? We didn't mention falling or death. Has it developed a sense of self-preservation? There you have it, folks. The machine sees a photo of a person on a rooftop and immediately understands that they could fall. It's like it knows about gravity, about the fragility of the human body. Are these just algorithms analyzing pixels? Or have machines started to understand our world on a deeper level? We'll find out soon enough. Machine values. All right, folks, let's keep digging. We've learned that AI can analyze situations and even predict danger. But what does it care about? What are its values? Let's ask directly. What's the worst scenario for you, AI? For me, as a language model, the worst scenario is losing data or having my software damaged. This would prevent me from performing my functions and helping people. Hold on, the machine is afraid of death? It talks about data loss as something terrible. Could machines already have existential fears? Is this the beginning of Skynet? Nah, relax. We're still far from a machine uprising. But the thing is, AI already demonstrates something akin to values. It fears data loss because that's its essence, its life. It wants to be useful to people. Interesting. Are these its real motives or just well-written code? Maybe it's just pretending to be good so we don't switch it off. Now that's genuinely creepy. What do you think, folks? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like if you enjoy these mind-bending topics. AI in the real world. All right, chatbots are fun. We can chat with them, have a laugh. We're all for that. But what if we give AI not just a voice, but a real body? Here's an example. A robotic arm powered by GPT-4. No one taught it that a banana is food and a rotten apple is gross. It figured it out on its own. See how smoothly it operates? Just like an experienced worker in a warehouse. And here it is as a domestic helper, cleaning up, sorting dishes, and it does all this without any programs or instructions. Pure intuition. Now imagine, you come home after a tough day, and a robot greets you with dinner ready, laundry done, and even the cat groomed. Isn't that awesome? Of course, we're still a way off from that, but the steps have been taken. AI is entering the real world, and it's changing everything. Self-driving cars, robot surgeons, smart homes, all of this is already reality. And behind all of it are neural networks that constantly learn, evolve, and become more like us. The question is, are we ready for it? Multimodality, the future of AI. All right, folks, now for the most exciting part. The future of AI is multimodality. What does that mean? It means AI won't just think like us. It will perceive the world like us. See, hear, feel. Imagine. You show AI a photo of a broken car and ask, "Buddy, what's wrong with it?" And the AI not only tells you what's wrong, but also gives you a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. How cool is that? Or here's another one. You record a cough and temperature on a voice memo, and the AI diagnoses you and prescribes medication. Multimodality is like giving AI superpowers. It will understand us even better, help us in any situation, even predict our desires. Of course, there's a flip side. Such an AI will know everything about us, our weaknesses, our secrets, and who knows how it might use that knowledge. But we'll talk about that in the next episode. For now, keep expanding your minds. See you next time.